In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own preset in Lightroom Classic. If you've ever spent time meticulously editing your photos and thought, I wish I could save this exact look to use again, then you're in the right place. I'll guide you through the straightforward process of creating and saving a preset, ensuring you can easily apply your favorite edits to future images with just a click. Let's get started. First, open an image in the Develop module. This is where all the magic happens. You'll want to make all your desired edits in this module until you're completely satisfied with the look of your image. Think about adjusting the exposure to get the perfect light balance. Contrast can help make your image pop, while the color adjustments can completely change the mood. You might dive into the tone curve to fine-tune highlights and shadows, or perhaps tweak the HSL to get the colors just right. Perhaps a dash of effects will give you that final touch you're looking for. All these tools are available in various panels like Basic, Tone Curve, HSL Color, and Effects. It's all about getting that image to look exactly how you envision it. Once your masterpiece is edited to perfection, shift your focus to the Presets panel, conveniently located on the left-hand side of the Develop module. This is where you'll save your edits. Click the plus icon visible there, or if you prefer, right-click within the panel area, and you'll see an option to choose New Preset or Create Preset. Either option will work just fine, and will open up the crucial dialog box where we will define the parameters of your preset. Inside this dialog box, it's time to get creative. First, give your preset a name that's both meaningful and easy to remember. This will be a significant time saver when you're searching through your presets later on. Then, consider which group or folder to store your preset in. Organizing them in logical categories can make life much easier down the road. Once that's sorted, it's time to select which specific settings you'd like to include in your preset. You'll notice that there are numerous options such as contrast, highlights, shadows, tone curve, and color grading, among others. A tip to keep your presets versatile and adaptable is to start by clicking Check None, or by deselecting all options. From there, selectively tick only the settings that you modified for this particular look. This strategic approach makes your preset more flexible, ensuring it complements a variety of different images. Finally, the last step. Click Create or Save. Voila! Your custom preset is now a part of your Lightroom toolkit. You'll find it nestled within the group you selected in the Presets panel. And there you have it, your go-to editing style now ready to be reused quickly and efficiently. Embrace the power of easy, one-click editing and watch your workflow improve. Thank you for joining me today, and happy editing.